Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Lisa. I would love for you to hang around by clicking that subscribe button and the little bell next to it so you don't miss another video. Today's video is going to be a collaboration. We will be making 3 mirror decor DIYs, and one of them is going to be a recreation. So if you guys want to see the videos, go ahead and keep on watching. We have 3 beautiful DIYs planned. I'm collaborating today with Mimys Glams and Designs. She has a wonderful channel and some amazing videos. I hope you guys go and check out her page as well as her videos, and I will also link the video in the collaboration down below for you guys. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. For the first DIY, I'm going to be making this beautiful brooch mirror tray. And I saw this tray on Inspire Me Home Decor, and it retails for $44.99. And it's already sold out. But it's super simple to make. You could get a plain mirror, and the way to do the handles is to use some Totally Dazzled brooches. So I'm going to be using Dollar Tree mirrors. I'm using 4 of the square mirrors because I wanted the beveled edge. And I'm using an old piece of foam board just to keep everything together. You can make this as wide as you would like or as long as you would like. And for the brooches, I'm not going to be removing the backs. I'm just going to be adding some glue straight onto the clips on the back. Now make sure that you use a stronger glue. I'm using hot glue for the video. And here's the back. I'm not removing it because I really want the handles, quote unquote, to be raised up. And that's all there is to it, you guys. It looks so gorgeous. I'm going to be making 2 of those, one for each of my end tables. This can be used for just about anything. You can use it for any kind of holiday decor, for your coffee table, for your dining room table. You can make it whatever size you would like that would fit your space. I think it is gorgeous, and I will link the Totally Dazzled website below. For the recreation, I'm going to be making this tray, another tray that Mimi made, and I really liked how she did the handles. She had an arrangement of the Dollar Tree acrylic gems, and I decided to do the same. So here are the supplies. Instead of using the square mirrors, I'm going to be using the Hexagon mirrors. I'm also using the rhinestone ribbon that I've used so many times in so many of my videos. Of course, my Totally Dazzled brooches and the plastic tray from the Dollar Tree. So I'm not removing the backing because it's such a pain. I'm just going to put the glue right onto the little foam pads on the back. Now because I'm using the Hexagon ones, there's going to be a lot of gaps. So for the middle gap, I'm going to be covering it up with the brooch. And for the side gaps, I'm going to be using the rhinestone ribbon. Now I split the rhinestone ribbon into 2, straight down the middle. And then in the middle, I put the Totally Dazzled brooch. I did remove the clip on the back. Just added some glue to the side and then glued it right onto the mirrors. And for all the other spaces, I decided to use the Dollar Tree crystal acrylic gems, And I'm using them face down, so the wider part of the diamond shape is facing down. And then for the handle, I did exactly what Mimi did. I did 1 and then 2, and I just kind of like stacked them along, but the only difference is I had them facing opposite directions. So some were facing to the left, some were facing to the right, and then I stacked them a little bit higher than she did. And here's the final look. I think this tray is so beautiful. I love how the brooch just really adds to it. That rhinestone ribbon is gorgeous. It's available on Amazon. I will link it below for you guys if you're interested in getting it. And here we go for the last DIY. So I'm going to be making a floating mirror flower box. So I'm using my Hexagon mirrors again. I'm using this little acrylic tray from the Dollar Tree. And because the mirrors are a lot wider than this little container, I needed to add something to make it fit. And it turns out that the Dollar Tree napkin rings are perfect for this. You can also make a custom box and just add your mirrors to it. I just didn't want to go through that. This was way easier. So now that my little contraption is put together, you're gonna see how nicely all the mirrors come along. So I didn't remove the backings. Again, I left all the stickers because they're gonna be hidden by florals. So as you can see from this angle, all the mirrors are gonna line up perfectly. And here's a look from another angle. So all that was left to do was to add my glue. I am using hot glue again. Use a stronger glue, E6000. Any glue that is stronger than hot glue that will not pop off. So I added some glue to the rim of the napkin ring, and then I added the last 4 mirrors. Now that all the mirrors were on, I added some brooches in the center. So I have this one on one side and a different one in the front, and this is the front. I just love this so much. I love how it looks like it's floating. It's so gorgeous. You can make this as wide as you would like. You can make this way longer. You don't have to make it small like this and use more mirrors. And this is perfect for any occasion. Just change your florals and it will fit whatever occasion that you want to use it for. And yeah, I hope you guys really like these DIYs. I had so much fun making them. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe. Please check out Mimy's video that I will link below for you guys. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you in my next video. God bless and bye-bye.